Hi, this is Yuri from Berlin, Canada. Today, let's go on a little trip together right here in downtown Calgary. We're starting at the 1st Street Southwest train station and we're taking the C train to the Jubilee station. That's where the Southern Alberta Institute of Technology is located. But first, let's buy a one-way ticket. It costs about $3.80 and you have your ticket. Once you have your ticket, don't forget to tap it before you get to the platform. When the train arrives, get on a red line heading towards Tuscany Station, ride for 5 stops, and then get off at Jubilee Station. From there, it's just a 5-minute walk to campus, super convenient and super easy. Public transportation in Calgary is clean, fast, and really convenient, especially when you know how to talk about it in English. So, now it's your turn. Can you describe how to get somewhere in your city using these expressions? One-way ticket, get on, get off, transfer, and a minute walk.